and I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. This time it's just about the eye look that looks a bit similar to this this dress of mine. It's an orange look. I love it, and I want you to watch it, learn from it, and enjoy the tutorial. Thank you. I love you. Stay tuned. This palette is from Moa. I use this palette for my transition. Here we go. Right. Transition is very fine. Orange is a mix of brown and orange, and I'm gonna mix it with this color over here. It's a bright orange as well. So yeah, take it there, take it there. Yeah, that's the brown orange. It's a mix of brown and orange with a bright orange. Yeah, I'm gonna go take it there again. I think you can see we can see the yellow now. This is the dark orange I'm gonna go in with. So it's from that orange choco palette. I love Revolution palette. That's where it's coming from. So I'm gonna go in with that in the creases around there, with that somewhere around there, and just make it a little darker because the orange is just too bright. We need to make it a little darker. So right now it's got a bit of both. So this is that yellow. That was our transition. So I'm gonna go in with that and just try to fade that area. Once again, there we go. So I usually use the transition to fade the dark colors when I feel like they've gone beyond, or when I feel like the edges are really rough. I usually use it to just calm it down. Even when it came in the first time, I can still come with it and just go over the edges once again. Alright guys, now that we've reached that stage, I'm gonna go in with a highlight color, which is going to be in the middle of my eyes, and that is going to be called Profusion Cosmetics. I don't know if you've heard of them. It's called Mixed Metals Peach. The color I'm going to use right now is called Cotton. It's the color I'm going to use for the middle bit. Guys, this palette smells really good. Everything about it is just fabulous. Yeah, so right now I'm using the brush I used to put the orange, the two oranges. So I'm using that brush to just blend the edges. So these are the two oranges I'm still using right now. That orange and that one, to just calm down this. Usually for me to get that round shape, sometimes I have to go in a circular motion to get that round shape over there, and just blend that, make it look better and uniform. Alright guys, this is W7 and the palette is called Delicious from W7. I'm gonna use another color from that palette, and this palette doesn't actually have names, but it looks like a pink champagne. if I show you that bit of it where it is, it's gonna be that color right there. So that's the color I'm gonna use to go in, and see how it goes. Right there. Giving it a shimmer. This is the brush I used to do the dark, to put the dark orange. So I'm using the same brush, going over it calmly, not roughly, just to soften up the edges. And what I'm gonna do right now is to get a liner. Hello guys, we're getting to a point that I'm gonna put mascara. My wand is broken, but I'm still gonna use it because I need it. Guys, this is Maybelline powder. I'm putting it all over my cheeks. It fit me, matte polish, compact. This is what I do when I run out of time. We don't have time to highlight this. Doing much to myself, but yes guys, you can actually put powder and look like you have highlight on. So we're just saving time. What next? So guys, here I am. I've done my lashes. So right now what's next is gonna be a liner under the eyes. I'm gonna use this liner. I got it from Amazon. I don't know if I still remember the seller, but it's called Eye Care Cosmetics. Yeah, it's called Eye Care Cosmetics. It's meant for sensitive eyes. So if you really have sensitive eyes and you don't want to put stuff on your face, on your eyes, you think something could go wrong, you're better off buying something like this. I'm putting the liner on my waterline. It's a white liner from Eye Care Cosmetics on Amazon. Very good for the eyes. They don't go watery. It's very safe. I've used it. I've got very sensitive eyes. I've got very sensitive skin. But this, because I've tried other eyeliners that are white and I tried to put them right on my waterline, it did not go well with me. So this has been very good. I would buy it again. So if you would like to go look for it on Amazon, the name is Eye Care Cosmetics. It's made by a company that cares about your eyes and what you're putting on your eyes. You don't want to put chemicals in your eyes and get sick and end up in hospital because you were trying to look good. So I highly recommend that you could try to look out for any of these. They come in different colors. They've got cream, they've got white. I think this is white. Yes, I went for the white one. Yeah, that's it. You know, some of these companies say that the liners are safe. They were looked at very carefully, well manufacturing, but then you put them on your eyes and you get problems. They're not exactly honest. So guys, I'm gonna go into my inner corners with I love Revolution Choco Orange palette. from Revolution, and I'm gonna use that gold over here. I'm gonna use it to go into the corners of my eyes. Just check my brush is clean. I want to put something different right now. You guys, I like the lashes. Unfortunately, I don't remember what shop I bought it from. It could be Savers, but again, I need to make sure it is. So, and I don't remember the name of it. I bought them a long time ago. So they're really beautiful. I'd like to buy them again. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to buy the ones I think they are, and then I'll come back and let you know what they're called, if they are the ones. So after opening the packet, of course, that's when I'll find out if it is the one or not. So because I know what it looks like, but I can't tell by looking at the packet. So yeah, I'll just go back and buy everything I bought before and see that I can get it. And then I'm gonna go over there and over there and a little bit around that line, just a little bit, very faint, just to make a little circle, and over there, not to get into my mascara. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell below so you can be notified every time I have a new video. You won't miss out on anything. You get to know every time I have something that's coming out. Don't forget to like. If you like anything, please don't forget to tell me and I'll do it for you. Guys, ciao. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Stay cool. Bye. Speak to you again another time.